All right, welcome to Examhood. Today we are looking at area of a circle. You know that last time we discussed areas of perimeter of a circle, and we told you that a circle has a round shape. So if you are looking at the area of a circle, you are looking at the radius, and we said the radius of a circle is a distance from the center of the circle to the circumference. The circumference of a circle is a distance round the circle. So the circumference is also referred to as perimeter of a circle. But if you are looking at area of a circle, the formula is actually different from circumference of a circle. The formula for circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, while the formula for area of a circle is pi r squared, where r is the radius. R is the radius, which is the distance from the center of the circle to the circumference. Then pi, if they are asking you to find area or circumference of a circle, they will always give you pi. And pi is given to be 22 over what? 7. So let's solve this problem on area of a circle. The question says find the area of a circle whose radius is 7 centimeter. Whose radius is 7 centimeter. So what's the formula for area of a circle? The formula is given by pi r squared. The formula is given by what? Pi r squared. Pi is 22 over 7, and r is a radius, which is a distance from the center to the circumference. Radius is given to be 7. So 7 squared is 7 times 7. So this 7 will cancel what? 7. You are left with 22 times 7. So 22 times 7 will give you the area of the circle. What is 22? 22 multiplied by 7 will give you 154 centimeter square. Centimeter what? Square. So that's your final answer for this question. The area of this circle here will be what? 154 centimeters squared. So this is your final answer. So this is Examhood. We ensure that we solve mathematical problems and bring it to your level for easy understanding. Subscribe to all our social media handles. Thank you. See you in our next video.